Okay, so we have scale drawings here. So what we're going to do, scale drawings, it represents an actual object. So the scale factor is the ratio of the size of the drawing to the actual size, and I like to write it as D to A, drawing to actual length. So the most common examples are maps and house plans, because good luck drawing those to full size when if you're working with paper. So it can be expressed with or without units. A couple of you had an issue with this in your assignment, so I'll just go over it. You can have 1 centimetre to 1 metre. Another way of writing this, 1 to 100, is exactly the same because 100 centimetres is 1 metre. The other thing is, if they are in the same units, we obviously don't have to write the units. So that's why this one has the units, whereas the other one doesn't. So if we look, if we look down here, so we've got the drawing to the actual length, and we can actually look at our example here. We've got a scale drawing. We're looking at a scale of 1 to 50. So drawing to actual length, 1 to 50. So we've got find the actual length if the drawing is 30 millimeters. So drawing to the actual length, 1 to 50. So we're going to 30 millimeters. So how do we go from 1 to 30? We're going to multiply by 30. So what we do to one side, we must do to the other. So 50 times 30 is 1,500 millimeters. But if you look at the question, it is specifically stating to the nearest centimetre. So we need to adjust, change millimeters to centimetres, and to do that we're going to divide by 10. So millimeters to centimetres, divide by 10. That's a really dodgy 10, so we'll turn it. Okay, so it ends up being the actual length is 150 centimetres. Next example we've got is find the drawing length. So drawing to the actual length, we've got D to 4.5 metres. Now with it, when we were going to the actual length, we were multiplying. But this time we're actually going to something smaller. So we need to obviously divide. So what are we going to divide by? Well, we look back at our actual scale and we need to divide by 50. So our drawing length equals 0.09 metres. But if you actually look at the question, it states to the nearest millimetre. So to go from millimetres, sorry, I messed that up. To go from metres to millimetres, you can't forget about the centimetres in the middle. So to go from metres to centimetres, you're going to multiply by 100, and then to get to millimetres, multiply by 10. So we need to multiply 0.09 by 1000 because 100 times 10 is 1000. And I'll just write that this is to convert to millimetres. So the drawing length equals 90 millimetres. So it makes sense if you have 90 millimetres drawn on your little scale drawing, it represents 4.5 metres in real life.